yeah. Okay.
Wow!
Okay. Hey. Hey.
Stop! Hey, stop!
Hey. Okay. Okay. Hey. Yum. Okay. Hey, let go.
Hello!
Let go.
Hello!
Okay.
Hello!
Bye.
Mario, I'll handle the big rock.
Okay.
Mario and the mission to rescue Goldfish.
On a slope,
hawk is doing his job.
Oh, my stomach.
A rolling rock swiftly descends the slope.
Oh no! A fish! The water tank breaks.
Oh, this can't be.
At Mario's garden.
Hello!
Luigi, help me water the fruit garden.
Sure, I've prepared a full bucket of water.
The watering truck starts working. Oh, the fish from earlier.
Huh? What's going on?
Luigi is extremely surprised to see the school of fish.
Why are the fish here? Hey! Aren't these the fish from the pond over there? We'll take them home.
Go! Go, 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 go!
The Mario Brothers transport the school of fish back to the water tank.
Hello! Huh? Oh my gosh!
The big rock broke the water tank.
We have work to do now.
What will the Mario Brothers do to help the school of fish?
Mario, I'll handle the big rock.
Okay.
The crane truck operates, lifting the big rack out of the tank.
This broken tank needs to be replaced. The excavator approaches, dragging a new tank.
Hello!
Wow, a fish-shaped water tank! Lovely pink! The excavator pushes sand, stabilizing and smoothing the area around the tank. A new, beautiful, and impressive water tank.
Wow!
Of course, we need to pump water into the tank. Congratulations to the school of fish on their new home. They seem delighted.
Well done, brothers.
Yeah!
Hydrogen vent valve has been closed and flight pressurization is underway.
Oh my god. Let's go. Hurry up, let's go.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm sorry.
Is it at Luigi's house?
Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil drill. Okay, sure.
Let's go.
Thank you, Luigi. No problem.
Do they want to fill a path through the water pipe? Half of the task is done. Water pipe of friendship. Whoa, Mario's world. Is Mario planning to pick mushrooms? Which mushroom will Mario choose? Oh, does Mario know that the beautiful mushrooms can be poisonous? Oh no!
What's happening to me?
Oh my! Mario turned into a giant.
Oh no, what should I do?
His steps are heavy. Mario can't control his giant body. The water pipe is thrown away.
Oh no!
Be careful with the mushroom. Oops!
Oh heavens, what have I done?
In the real world, the water pipe falls, and the poisonous mushroom. Is something big is about to happen? A giant water pipe blocks the way.
Oh, it's over.
Mario jumps down after it. Hawk's truck is coming. I wonder how Hawk will handle this.
What's this?
Oh,
Who are you? What's going on like this?
Mario tells the story to Hawk.
Unbelievable!
A shovel? Mario uses a shovel as a ladder to lift the water pipe.
Sorry, I can't. My friend, I need your help.
The excavator is here. Perhaps it can help.
Can you help me move this water pipe? Okay, I'll try.
The first time, the water pipe doesn't budge. Again, it shakes a bit. Like this, the excavator still can't topple the water pipe.
Aw, I tried my best.
Goodbye.
What should we do now?
Aha!
Hold on tight.
Where is Hawk taking Mario? To the supermarket?
Do you have something that can turn a big pipe into a small one? There's one thing. Very secret.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. Keep it as a secret. Agreed.
The two return to the water pipe. Mario, don't be clumsy. Oh no! It's gone. All the powder spilled. Surprise yet? Mario has shrunk back. But the medicine is all gone.
Do you have more medicine? I only have one box.
Aha!
Oh, where is Mario going? Is it at Luigi's house?
Mario, what's going on? Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil drill. Okay, sure.
Whoa, very impressive.
Let's go. Thank you, Luigi. No problem.
Now, let's see how the pencil drill works. Do they want to drill a path through the water pipe? Half of the task is done. Yeah, the path has been opened. Well done, Mario.
Okay, yeah.
See you again, my friend. Thank you, Mario.
So Hawk gained a new friend, Mario.
Whoa!
Aha!
I wonder if it can handle the hard soil. Oh! Quite effective, actually. The soil becomes much softer. Mario and the Farmer's Journey. A new day of work begins. What's wrong with Mario? Doesn't Mario want to work? Nevertheless, Mario starts. Is the soil too dry and hard?
Aha!
Mario thinks of something.
Hey, Ox, help me plow the land.
Hey, let go.
It's not like that.
Oh, no!
Hey.
Let's try something else.
Whoa, whoa! What's strange?
Aha! Okay, let go.
Where is Mario going?
Go.
Hi!
Whoa, whoa! Come on, Mario. Focus on the main task. Out of gas warning.
Oh, no!
Hey.
Oh no, I need help. Give me the address, I'll be right there.
Okay, let go.
Hello, Mario. Hello, Hawk. My car is out of gas. Can you help me tow it? It's just a small thing. Thank you, buddy.
Go. Okay, let's go.
Hawk helps Mario tow the car to the gas station. Seems like Mario's car is too heavy. It's really hard. Here it is. Finally arrived at the gas station.
Goodbye!
Gas is full.
Okay, let go.
Mario continues on his way.
How can I help you, Mario? Do you have something to deal with dry and hard soil?
Okay.
What is this? Looks like a rake, doesn't it?
Goodbye!
Let's see how Mario uses it. Attach it to the car like this, huh? I wonder if it can handle the hard soil. Oh! Quite effective, actually. The soil becomes much softer. Just what Mario wanted. Now Mario can sow seeds. The seeds are spread evenly on the ground. The seeds are evenly scattered on the farm. The final rake is also useful. The seeds are buried in the soil. Of course, water is essential.
Many months later.
And the result is Wow, a beautiful fruit garden. Every fruit is fresh and juicy. Whoa, whoa!
Hey, Hog, do you want to taste the fruits I planted? Wow, very impressive.
Planting fruit is hard, but the result is delicious.
Thank you.
Bye.
Huh?
Whoa! Wow!
Thank you. Bye-bye.
One day later.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Bye.
Okay. Let's go. Hey! Everyone! Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye. Hello. Go! Hello.
Huh?
Hey!
Hey, let's go. Hello.
Wow!
Hello.
Several days later.
Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. No. Oh, no! Let's go.
A few minutes later.
Okay, let's go. Oh. Let's go. Help me!
Hello! Help me!
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Goodbye!
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Hey, let's go.